Okay, so I'm on Product Hunt right now, and let's check out some of these top trending products. Today, I believe, is the 12th of November, so I'm just going to check out a few of these landing pages for the top trending products, give my personal opinion on them, what do I think about the actual product, but what I also think about the landing page. So, the number one thing right now is this 1.1.1 app. That it says faster, more private internet by Cloudflare now on mobile. So overall, the design is really cool. It actually reminds me a lot of I think I covered this, but Eddie Lavosky's Gradient. If I just type in Eddie, I should be able to find him fairly quickly. But right here, you see how this looks like? This looks very similar, in my opinion, to this, right? These streaks. So shout out to the designer who copied him, right? He's a great designer. So good designers copy great designers, in my opinion. So nice. Anyways, there's no landing page, so I'm not gonna go there. It's just like you can download it. I don't see what the point of this would be. Privacy, like I don't. I'm not concerned about my privacy. I'm not one of those weirdo guys who's like I use go the what is that internet provider? I don't know what the internet provider is. It's like DuckDuckGo, I think is actually the name. I don't really care. No one's gonna come after me. I pay my taxes. I think I'm pretty safe. So the next one is Open Habits, an app to help you build new habits. I love Product Hunt because, I mean, they have the most randomest products. Like, there's an app. There's probably an app to come up with an app idea or like some stupid something like that. But anyways, they're fun to look at, right? They're for creatives who are like doing new things, and I like it. So okay, so this is a new landing page. So Open Habits beta. I do like this landing page. I actually believe they used. I want to say they used a template because I've actually seen a template. I did a review on my YouTube channel. There was a landing page template called. It starts with a C, cab. I forgot what it was called. But if you guys look at my YouTube channel, I think this is actually one of the templates. But overall, like not too bad. Build new habits together. They're using a template for this, obviously, and I'll link in the description below. But basically, if you are just building a product and you need a quick, good landing page templates that people on Product Hunt throw together and make really like look really cool, I think they're the way to go rather than hiring designers, spending a bunch of money for something you don't even know if it's going to work out or not. So overall, I'm not going to actually give this a grade because I know for a fact this is a template. I don't think this is custom at all. I'd be surprised if they just copied it just to copy it when there's a Product Hunt that came out with this exact template and you don't have to spend any time building it. You just insert your content. So I'm going to skip that one as well. Emoji Builder, create your own emoji in no time. So let's see what this is. I do like this little like cat looking thing, right? Like doing a good job of on the avatar Product Hunt showing what the hell the product's about. I think that's really cool. And then let's see this Emoji Builder. So overall, it just takes you straight to the UI. It's really cool. Actually, this is dope. You can just clear all your shit. And then let's say I want to face. What do I want to do? Let's say I want to do like something like this. Or like this. Oh, you can actually have like double. Dude, this is really cool. Yeah, I like this. I think it's good. Like I said, a landing page is supposed to get users to do whatever you want them to do, whether it's sign up, become a subscribe, whatever you want them to do with the landing page to convert. If you have a product that you want people to engage with, you don't need a landing page. And I think a lot of people are tied up on that. Like, oh, I have to have a landing page for my product. No, you don't. You can actually have it just like this where it just links to the product. You don't have to sign up. You don't have to do anything. It's just a free online application, that's fun. And I think this is really cool. So overall, I think the UI of this is great. The fact that you have your empty canvas in the middle, you have your elements that you can choose from to the left, you can erase stuff by just simply clicking delete here, rearranging it. I think all this is great. So what is this? Emoji Builder, right? He does shout himself out, so let's go to his profile, this guy, whatever his name is. So of course he works at Stripe. There's no wonder he's really good at doing this front end type shit. So shout out to this guy. I think it's a really good job, right? Very clean, very perfect, like very just understanding. You're not gonna get lost, right? And you know exactly what you're going for. I'd give this like a 9 out of 10. I mean, there's probably nothing they could have done better. So actually, fuck it, a 10 out of 10. So let's take a look at this thing. So the hub, we connect creators to each other and brands. So this sounds like Tinder for creative people. let's see. We can, okay, so nice landing page, nice little parallax effect with these scrolling things. I really like this landing page actually. It's a little bit short. I'm a little bit lost, but I think the creative side to it is very unique, and especially for creatives like YouTube creators and all that. This is gonna get your attention. It has photos. It's fun to scroll down and interact with. You see a bunch of people, like, good looking people dressed up in different clothes, and I think, look at right here, it says photographers, for companies, for creators. So let's go to for creators. I do like the transition, and then right here, a nice little drop shadow, right? This is cool. I like this landing page. I think it has, especially this piece right here, right? Obviously the CSS is, or something's fucked up. This backpack should be in front of this thing, or maybe just even add this app store like under here, right? You don't really need this gap right here, but I do like how this works and looks. It looks very clean. Our differences, I like it. It's very clean. I think the colors are unique. I like this a lot. So this is really cool. I'm not sure 100% what it is. It looks like, I said it was like Tinder for creatives, but now it's looking more like some sort of website that helps photographers and creators monetize, is what it's looking like. So overall pretty cool. I'm gonna do one more, and I'm gonna see if what I missed from like yesterday. Okay, so MIT licensed PSD illustrations in 2 styles. Let's take a look at this, because you guys know how I feel about templates and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna go straight to the website. Don't care about that. Okay, so DrawKit. DrawKit is a collection of beautiful customers, MIT licensed illustrations, both free and paid, in 2 styles to use on your app. Okay, so illustrations for your app. Or oh, that's cool. So you can get a custom illustration. Illustrations are huge these days, right? They're hard to pull off. They're a pain in the ass to make. I was doing illustrations this morning for an icon for an about page, and there was like 5 different icons, and they are a pain. So I think this is cool. PSD plus PNGs. I guess right here, I don't know why this is free and why this is not free, right? Maybe there's just different, I don't know why there's not free. I do think this is cool. I do think there is a market for illustrations. They're very hard to pull off. Some people are really good at them, and they should just stick to like doing illustration work. There's a lot of disconnect between UI UX designers and illustrators, and UI UX designers kind of throwing illustrators away, saying, oh, like, I can do illustrations as well. But illustration to me is an art. It's very hard to pull off. I've done custom illustration work, and it's very hard and time consuming, and I prefer to do UI UX and branding. But I think this is cool, dude, for like the average user who just needs to express, their whatever their product is about in an illustration form. I think this is really cool, and especially because you can pay to get a custom illustration made in 3 days. I think this is really cool. The landing page, very simple. Once again, just like that emoji. What is it? No, where was it? Just like this emoji builder, and how this emoji builder, they're giving you the product that they're offering right away. So are these guys. This isn't a landing page about what it's about. This is a landing page to just tell you what's going on here. And then it's like, oh, you can buy, or you can download this free one. And I think that's really cool. So I think this is good. DrawKit's really cool. So shout out to DrawKit. The hub was cool. Emoji Builder I thought was great. Open Habits, this is a template. And then that other one, I don't care about privacy. So this is not my realm. So whatever. But anyways, that's all I have today, YouTube. If you guys have any questions, email me in the email below. I do these once a week. I love checking out Product Hunt, and as a designer, I like critiquing the shit out of the landing pages that these people come up with. So it is what it is. So I'm Alex Banaga. Email me if you have any questions, and until next time, YouTube, I'm out.